COVID-19 presented a humongous challenge to the entire world. The fast-paced life of our generation ground to an absolute halt. Many lives were lost, many were saved, and many people were left abandoned to their fates. Santokba Dulabji Memorial Hospital undertook the responsibility to serve and save humanity amidst these cataclysmic times, and as was expected, the journey was never going to be easy. During the first wave of COVID-19, SGMH, like every other healthcare institute of the country, was caught completely off guard, was befuddled and totally confused. Nothing made sense at all. The only way out was to tackle the crisis one step at a time, and that is what we ended up doing. We began with screening all patients and attendants in the OPD. Every patient who was admitted went through a transit facility where he or she was tested for COVID. It was only after being screened that the patient was allotted a room, a ward, or an ICU. This ensured zero cross-infection from COVID to non-COVID patients. The rationale of the policy was to prevent any suspected COVID case from entering non-COVID areas like the OPD or the patient admission block. The screening protocol was the first one that was implemented, and it was followed by many other spin-off policies. We were quick to adapt and relentless in following our protocols, making disinfection and timely care our top priorities. Despite the high number of COVID patients, we took excellent care of each person. Our senior consultants paid daily visits to every COVID patient who was hospitalized with us. They counseled every patient and also their attendants on a daily basis. To ensure timely medical care to COVID patients, we needed to have an in-house COVID investigation facility. Hence, the hospital started its own COVID laboratory very early in the pandemic. This ensured COVID reports within 3 hours, thus reducing a patient's transit time. Moreover, we ensured that the medical treatment for COVID patients who also required other medical intervention was never compromised. During COVID, we performed 42 deliveries of COVID-positive mothers and over 40 surgeries of COVID-positive patients. This certainly required a dedicated operation theatre with strong disinfection protocols and moreover a team of doctors with a strong metabolism. As things became clearer and the fog of the virus began clearing, SGMH also led the vaccination drive in Rajasthan, administering over 2,000 vaccines to its employees, that is the eligible staff. In the second phase, the hospital also recorded the highest number of vaccinations done by any private center in the state and the highest number of single-day vaccinations. The war is not yet over and will perhaps be a long one. Our enemy may be the mighty Goliath, but through the joint efforts of our staff and well-wishers, we have provided care and compassion even in our toughest times. Together with expertise and unwavering courage, we shall sail forwards at full speed, aiming to create a safe and healthy world.